रे यमुना तेरा बनचारी जय राधा माधव कुंज बिहारी जय गोपी जन वल्लभ गिरिवरधारी यशोदानंदन ब्रज जन रंजन यमुना तेरा बनचारी यमुना तेरा बनचारी जय राधा माधव कुंज बिहारी जय गोपी जन वल्लभ गिरिवरधारी यशोदानंदन ब्रज जन रंजन यमुना तेरा बनचारी जय श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर शिव सदि गौर भक्ता वृंद हरवो जय श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर शिव सदि गौर भक्ता वृंद हरवो हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्णा हरे बोल हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे जय प्रभुपदा जय प्रभुपदा जय प्रभुपदा जय प्रभुपदा जय जय प्रभुपाद 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 प्रभुपाद। जय ओम विश्वपाद परमहंस परिव्राजकाचार्य श्री श्रीमद् भक्ति वेदांत स्वामी श्रील प्रभुपाद की जय। ग्रंथराज श्रीमद् भागवतम की जय। भक्ति वेदांत परपट की जय। निताई गौर परमानंदे। All glories to assembled devotees. All glories to assembled devotees. All Guranga Auranga Hari Hari. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Narayanam namaskritya naram chaiva narottamam Devim saraswati vyasam tato jayamudiyareta nashtaprayesu abhadresu nityam bhagavata sevaya भगवते उत्तम श्लोके भक्तिर्भवति नैष्टके। श्रीमद् भागवतम कैंटू 4 चैप्टर 8 टेक्स्ट नंबर 35। ध्रुव महाराज लीव्स होम। ध्रुववाच सह अयं भगवता सुख दुख हत आत्मनां दर्शितः कृपया पुंसां दुर्दर्शः अस्मत् विधि विधै तु यः। ध्रुववाच सोऽयं समो भगवता सुख दुख हतात्मनां दर्शित कृपया पुंसां दुर्दर्शो अस्माद् विधैस्तु यः। ध्रुववाच सोऽयं समो भगवता सुख दुख हतात्मनां दर्शित कृपया पुंसां दुर्दर्शो अस्माद् विधैस्तु यः। सोऽयं समो भगवता सुख दुख हतात्मना पुंसां ध्रुववाच ध्रुववाच सोऽयं समो भगवता सुख दुख हतात्मनां दर्शित कृपया पुंसो दुदर्शो अस्माद् विधैस्तु यः। ध्रुववाच सोऽयं समो भगवता सुख दुख हतात्मनां दर्शित कृपया पुंसां दुर्दर्शो। How long lecture? How long? 8, up to 8:30. माता जी वैष्णवी स्वयं समो भगवत सुख दुख हतात्मना दर्शिता कृपया पुंसाम दुर्दशो ध्रुववाच स्वयं समो भगवता दुख सुख आत्मना दर्शिता कृपया पुंसाम दशो ध्रुववाच ध्रुव महाराज said Saha that I am this Samaha equilibrium of mind Bhagavata by your lordship Sukha Dukha happiness and miseries Hat Atmanam those who are affected Darshitaha shown Kripaya by mercy Punsam of the people Durdarshaha very difficult to perceive Asmat Vidhai by persons like us Tu but Yaha whatever you have said Translation Dhruv Maharaj said, my dear Lord Naradji, for a person whose heart is disturbed by the material conditions of happiness and distress, whatever you have so kindly explained for attainment of peace of mind is certainly a very good instructions. But as far as I am concerned, I am covered by the ignorance and this kind of philosophy does not touch my heart. Purport by His Divine Grace, A.C. Bhakti Vedanta Swami Srila Prabhupada ki jai. There are various classes of men. One class is called Akamis, referring to those who have no material desires. Desire must be exist, either material or spiritual. Material desire arises when one wants to satisfy one's personal senses. One who is ready to sacrifice anything to satisfy the Supreme Personality of Godhead can be said to have a spiritual desire. Dhruv did not accept the instructions given by the great saint Narad because he thought himself unfit for such instructions, which prohibited all material desires. It is not a fact, however, that those who have material desires are prohibited from worshipping the Supreme Personality of Godhead. This is essential instruction from the life of Dhruv. He frankly admitted that his heart was full of material desires. He was very much affected by the cruel words of the stepmother, whereas those who are spiritually advanced do not care about anyone's condemnation or adoration. In Bhagavad Gita, it is said that persons who are actually advanced in spiritual life do not care for the dual behavior of this material world. But Dhruv Maharaj frankly admitted that he was not beyond the affliction of material distress and happiness. He was confident that the instruction given by Narad was valuable. yet he could not accept it. The question raised here is whether or not a person afflicted by material desires is fit to worship the Supreme Personality of Godhead. The answer is that everyone is fit to worship Him, even if one has many material desires to fulfill. He should take to Krishna consciousness and worship the Supreme Lord Krishna, who is so merciful that He will fulfill everyone's desire. Through this narration, it will become very clear that no one is barred from worshipping the Supreme Personality of Godhead, even if one has many material desires. Om Ajnanam Timirandhasya Jnananjana Salakaya Chakshunmitamena Tasmai Sri Guruve Namah. Sri Chaitanya Manobhishtam Sthapitamena Bhutale Swam Rupa Kada Mahiyam Dadati Swapadantikam. Bande Ham Sri Guru Sri Utpad Kamalam Sri Gurun Vaishavansya Sri Rupam Sagrajatam Sahgana Raghunathanvitam Tam Sajivam Sadvaitam Savadhutam Parijana Saitam Krishna Chaitanya Devam Sri Radha Krishna Padan Sahagana Lalita Sri Visakhanvitansya. हे कृष्ण करुणा सिंधो दीन बंधो जगतपते गोपेश गोपिका कांत राधा कांत नमस्तुते. तप्त कांचन गौरांगी राधे वृंदावनेश्वरी वृषभान सुते देवी प्रणमामि हरिप्रिये. वंशा कल्पतरुभ्यस्य कृपा सिंधुभ्येव च पतितानां पावनेभ्यो वैष्णवेभ्यो नमो नमः. श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर शिवसादि गौर भक्त वृंद. हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे. ध्रुव उवाच सो अयम समो भगवता सुख दुख हतात्मनाम दर्शितम कृपया पुंसाम दूरदर्शो अस्मद विधैस्तुया. Dhruv Maharaj said, my dear Lord Naradji, for a person whose heart is disturbed by the material conditions of happiness and distress, whatever you have so kindly explained for attainment of a peace of mind is certainly very good instruction. But as far as I am concerned, I am covered by ignorance, and this kind of philosophy does not touch my heart. Hare Krishna. First of all, I want to pray unto the lotus feet of Subhas Prabhu and other Prabhupada disciples and Vaishnavas. Please bless me, I can speak some bona fide words on Srimad Bhagavatam. Srimad Bhagavatam is Paramhansa Sanhita तथा परमहंसा नाम मुनि नाम अमलात्मना. It is very, very difficult to speak on Srimad Bhagavatam. Only those who have no material desire, nibbit tarsai upagiyamana, those who are free from 100% free from material desires, they can relish Srimad Bhagavatam. But this Srila Prabhupada's commentary on Srimad Bhagavatam, Bhav Sadhi, is medicine for all of us. Those who are diseased, for them is medicine. Those who are free from the disease, they relish Srimad Bhagavatam. They drink the nectar of Srimad Bhagavatam. So here we have heard from previous verses, Dhruv Maharaj was insulted by his stepmother. Being a child, then he came to his own mother and he got instruction from his mother, I cannot do anything, better take to shelter of the Supreme Personality of Godhead. That is called glories of the mother. Pita na sasyat, janani na sasyat. Janani means mother must be devotee of Krishna. Then she can guide their children towards Krishna consciousness. So under the instruction of his mother, he came to the forest to look for God. And Krishna is very kind because Krishna is a Chaitya Guru. He is a spiritual master as a Paramatma in everyone's heart. If somebody is truthful and genuine seeker, he gives guidance. Immediately, by the mercy of Krishna, Narasi came to give instruction. So we have heard instruction, Narasi's instruction. And with this instruction, although here Dhruv Maharaj appreciated, he did not understand instruction of Narasi, but his heart was completely in darkness due to material desire. As long as we don't come in the modes of goodness, it is very, very difficult to follow. Maybe you understand, but it is very difficult to follow the instruction of a spiritual master. Therefore, Srila Prabhupada designed ISKCON such a way that very easily, if we follow the system given by Srila Prabhupada, very easily we can come in the modes of goodness. Just like getting up early in the morning, taking bath, put tilak, start chanting Hare Krishna Mahamantra. This system only makes people immediately, uplift people from ignorance, from passion into the modes of goodness. Those who are in the modes of goodness, they will be able to maintain the ashram. They will be able to live in the society. So, because his heart was, darkness means full of material desire. That is called darkness. So that's why he could understand, but he could not follow. And Dhruv Maharaj, we can see the great lesson, how a student should behave. What is the consciousness of a student? If a student hiding something, cheating his teachers, he will not get any benefit. He will not get any benefit. Just like a spiritual master, like a doctor, a disciple like patient. If diseased person go to doctor, he does not disclose his problem in front of doctor. Doctor will not able to help him. So he immediately admitted, your instruction is very valuable, but my heart is full of material desires. Then when we disclose, disclosing means you are very straightforward, we are very honest and humble, not crooked mind. Not crooked mind. Those who had crooked heart, so they will not able to understand anything in spiritual life. It is not possible. Because when we have crooked heart, so labha puja pratishtha, we start doing politics. And Chaitanya Charitamrita describes. And we need some benefit from spiritual life. Puja means worship. We want name and fame. So it does not apply on the path of pure devotional service. But here somebody accepting, okay, I need name and fame, I need wealth. He is not crooked mind. He is very straightforward. And here Narad is playing the perfect role of his spiritual master. Just like if doctor knows the problem of diseased patients, immediately he gives proper advice. So Narad did not discourage him, did not reject him. How you came here? I am giving you good instruction. You cannot come here. No, immediately he gave the process of devotional service. And Krishna says also, Chaturvida bhajanto maham sukritno arjun. Arth, atharthi, jigyasi, jnani cha bhartarsabha. 4 types of people come to me. And Dhruv Maharaj one of them. And because he is explaining here, sukha, dukha, hatatmana. Hat atmana, affected. Actually, hat means completely injured. Somebody takes sword, cut your hand. That is called hat. He is completely pierced with arrow of bitter word of his stepmother. And there is no question. Somebody, if he has no peaceful mind, it's not possible to practice his spiritual life. He was meditating only on the bitter word of his stepmother. Otherwise, Narad, he gave instruction, beautiful instruction, how to become free from three types of miseries. Such a wonderful instruction. Gunadhikan. So those he gave his Dudadhikan Mudham Lipes. Those who, if you see some person who has exalted quality, better than you, then become very happy. I will associate with him, I will chant with him, I will dance with him. And those who are Anukrosa Gunadhamat, those who are less qualified than anyone, he should become very happy. How? I will help him, shower mercy on him. And anyone equal level, so share each other's spiritual life. And only by doing these three things, everybody can become free from threefold miseries. He will not be affected by mental problem, by some other person's insult and glory. He will not be affected. Even natural distress, he will not be affected by natural disturbance. The wonderful instruction. But Dhruv Maharaj frankly admitted, your instruction is wonderful because my heart dukh sukh atmana. I am suffering so much in the heart. Rupa Goswami says, if somebody has no peaceful mind, it is very difficult to chant Hare Krishna. That's why so many times people ask question, oh, so mind is disturbing so much. So much. Therefore, so many techniques, so many things to cure the mind. When the mind will be cured after some time, there is no need to taking other medicine. The process of devotional service is such a powerful process. First, cure the mind, clears the heart, then devotee becomes qualified to relish Hare Krishna Mahamantra, chanting Hare Krishna Mahamantra, hearing Srimad Bhagavatam, and take all the process of devotional service, then happily perform. When Krishna said, Susukham Kartum Abhyayam, you can be very difficult to perform from very beginning happily. Because we have faith. How you perform devotional service? Rupa Goswami says, those who have no attachment. Yat ragan avaptam pravitti upajayate sadhana na sadhastasya vaidhi bhakti ituchate. Because of we develop faith unto the words of his spiritual master. Due to faith, we don't want even get up early in the morning, but still we get up. We don't want to chant because we have instructed by spiritual master and advanced devotee. That's why we chant and hear Srimad Bhagavatam. But by following this, time will come. There is no need to take any instruction. Oh, no need to president will ask why do you. No, automatically will come Mangala Arti, will chant Hare Krishna Mahamantra, we do Guru Puja, and all the service, book distribution, whatever service, that time becomes natural after some purification. And in the beginning we become very enthusiastic only to show our devotional service to spiritual master and senior devotee. That is wonderful. That just like, sometimes people start working, he gives oh Father, I have done this thing wonderful. I did today like this. Same thing we do when we do new devotees. They distribute books. Come to President, Prabhuji, Afar Abhishek says, by your mercy I distributed so many. Such an enthusiasm. That is wonderful. But later on, his spiritual life becomes natural. His natural spiritual master, senior devotee is not present. Still he carry on. That is called spontaneous devotional service. So we can see the life of Dhruv Maharaj. From the beginning, one quality Dhruv Maharaj has. He sacrificed everything for the following the instruction of Narasi. He ate dry fruits, fruits which monkey eaten by monkey. He ate even leaves, dry leaves. Even he drank water. Later on he stopped drinking water. That is important point. That was different age, but somebody takes spiritual master's instruction very seriously. We don't need any other qualification. Only one qualification. This instruction is a transcendental instruction, not material instruction. Material is a transcendental. There is no difference between Krishna and Krishna's representatives transcendental instruction. So when we are following even a simple thing, no need to do big thing in spiritual life. Following the simple thing, by following simple thing we attain perfection. By following simple thing. Because this instruction, yes, deva para bhakti tatha deva tatha guru tasyaite kathita hi artha prakashante mahatmana. It is described when we take instruction, just like when we respect or worship Krishna and same time worship spiritual master, all the scriptural knowledge will be revealed in the heart. Does not mean we start flying. No, we understand when spiritual knowledge revealed in the heart, what is Maya, what is Krishna. Very easily we can understand. Now this knowledge is going to deviate from me. This association is not good for my spiritual life. Everything will ever, only if you follow simple instruction. What simple instruction? Just like Prabhupada gave instruction for everyone, all ISKCON devotees, his preeminent Shiksha Guru chants 16 rounds without offenses. This is simple instruction, but to avoid the 10 kinds of offenses is very difficult. And Narasi never committed this offense. He never committed while performing devotional service. And after attaining perfection, he became free from all types of grudges, which was paining to his heart. Therefore, explaining here, Prabhupada commented wonderful. We have to sacrifice our pleasure for the satisfaction of Krishna. Rupa Goswami says, Krishna prityarthe bhog tyaga. For the pleasure of Krishna, we have to sacrifice, renounce our pleasure. Just like we did, we renounce our tea, drinking, our eating, intoxication, illicit. We renounce it, not we did not do. This is basic. But there is so many things. Then later on, natural, only we do everything for the pleasure of Krishna. So somebody, if ready, if he is very serious, he is always judging what I am doing for this mission. Just like we are missionary people. So Srila Prabhupada's mission. We must know what is Srila Prabhupada's mood and mission. Just like we can see from January, so many Srila Prabhupada disciples departed to the spiritual world. So gradually time will come, there will be no Srila Prabhupada disciple. So but there is no question, but because we have not associated personally, but we are associating with words of Srila Prabhupada. And problem is there, present time, nobody is reading Srila Prabhupada's book, nobody hearing Srila Prabhupada's lecture. Then how will we be able to know Srila Prabhupada's mood and mission? And we know very well Srila Prabhupada is our Shiksha Guru, preeminent instructing spiritual master. So unless we read Srila Prabhupada's book, we will not be able to know. And if we read, then we develop faith. We develop faith in the words of Srila Prabhupada. That is most important. Shraddhavan jana hai bhakti adhikari, uttam madhyam kanisha shraddhanukari. No need to become very learned scholar. Only develop a firm faith on the words of our Acharyas, our founder Acharya. And this will be enough to take us back home, back to Godhead. This will be enough. And just Dhruv Maharaj, just he never did anything. Just he got instruction from his spiritual master Naradji. I started following, and by following instruction, he could see the Supreme Personality of Godhead in front of him. And when he saw him, when he was touched by his lotus hand, he became free from all material desires. He came to Krishna consciousness to fulfill his material desires. When he attained perfection, he started lamenting. My mind was good, not good. My heart was not good. He said, Asthana bilasi tapaso krito aham. I was such a fool. You know, when we progress spiritually, we start seeing our defect. When we don't progress, we see other devotees' defect. Start seeing, oh, we have so much good quality. When we start progressing means we become free from anarthas, unwanted things. Then what we see? We see our heart. My father, just like Dhruv Maharaj. He's seeing his own heart. Just see, Asthana Bilasi, I came to Krishna consciousness. My Guru Maharaj was giving wonderful instruction. But my heart was not good, full of material desire. I could not answer. He started seeing after attaining perfection. For material things, I came to Krishna consciousness. So, Asthana Bilasi, what I ate only dry fruits, dry leaves, I drank water. Tapaso kritoham. For what? Kachi bichinvan, for broken glass. Broken glass. If glass is not broken, you can drink juice, we can drink water. As soon as broken touch, it will cut. Only will get a pain. So now just see experience. That is one, this is called anubhav, experience. Experience, only we can get material experience after attaining perfection. Then this material relation we feel painful. Unless you painful, then there is no question of renunciation. That renunciation may be putting different dress. But when we get experience, either you are putting white, either saffron, does not matter. You are fully detached because we are feeling the pain. Srila Prabhupada, once he was in Prayagraj, Allahabad, that time he was running the pharmacy. So he has one friend, he came with a child. Prabhu, you know, must be know. So that boy wanted to touch the fan, was running. He wanted to touch the fan. But father removing, he was crying. Then what he did, he hold the finger, took a little touch. When the finger little was hurt, he started crying again. Again father wanted to his hand to take, but he is crying, no, I don't want to take. Point is, when we get experience, the nature of material world, then we develop detachment. This experience comes when we perform staunch devotional service. It describes Srimad Bhagavatam. Bhakti pareshanubhav virakti anyat syat. Bhakti means devotional service. Pares means Krishna. Anubhav means experience. When we get experience of devotional service, then virakti means detachment. Otherwise not possible. This means when we get a happiness of spiritual life, Bhagavad Gita Krishna says, Param drishtva nivartate. That time, will not embrace material life. As long as we have not on this platform, we should stick completely in association of devotee. That will be our protection. So here Dhruv Maharaj, he got experience. When he saw Krishna face to face, What is explaining? He is disclosing his heart. Kanchi Bichinno Ab Dibya Ratnam. I am seeing you face to face. Sur Muninda Durlabham. Even great demigods cannot see you. Rishis cannot see you. But by the mercy of Narasi, I am seeing you. Oh Lord, I came for broken glass, I got a diamond. So I don't want now, Swami Kirtatham Baram ne ache. I don't want any material benediction. I don't want, even he's ready, Krishna already ready to give him. He did not want, still he got. That is called, Prabhu was reading in the morning, Bhakta Bashyata. Bhakta Bashyata. That is qualification of Krishna. He is under the control of his devotees. Dhruv Maharaj did not want anything because he desired even before becoming devotee. When he became free from his heart, still Krishna awarded because he will not going to enjoy. As long as we are serving the Supreme Personality of Godhead with our all energies, this material thing is no more material. Called poisonous teeth is broken, just like a snake. If poisonous teeth is removed, then snake you can put in the neck. So time is over. I think, sorry, I took 4 minutes more. So we can get great lesson from the life of Dhruv Maharaj. That's why Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he told we have to hear 100 times, first time Dhruv Maharaj and Prahlad Maharaj. Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna.
We had, Prabhu wanted to show 5-minute video of the ISKCON farm, which has about more than 100 cows. They just got a second farm. And a small video of about 3 minutes on the Hare Krishna Training Center, which is the local African. Is that fine if we played the 5 minutes? So, Prabhu? Okay. So they just purchased the second farm, so now they have two farms, and all the milk that is coming to the sweet shop and for the devotees, and all the vegetables is coming from the farms. So they're using, they get about 400 liters of milk every day. 400 liters comes. So the brahmacharis get a lot of milk at night. The sweet shop. And now we're going to show you the Hare Krishna Youth Training Center, where we have how many full-time students you have here? 60. So about 60 students going to universities. So we're going to show that. It's going to be like a 3-minute video for the Hare Krishna Training Center. And they have opened one in also Mombasa, where Srila Prabhupada spent time. These are all university students. So there is a separate program.
It takes 90 seconds for this NASA-engineered AC cool down your room. It's smaller than a toaster,
7 years,
cools
#1
any
in book
room in 90
distribution.
seconds,
So
and uses
#1
just a
book
fraction